All right, everybody, welcome to the 주간지 사자성어, or the weekly Sino-Korean proverb. 주간지 means weekly, and 사자성어 is a four-character Chinese Korean proverb. And there are lots of them in the language, and so I'm going to take the chance to go over, or try to go over one every week. Um, so today's one that we have is an interesting one. It's called 일석이조, and it is exactly the same as the English proverb, kill two birds with one stone. Um, so here we have the Chinese characters, or the hanja, down at the left, and we'll go over what each of these characters means. So first is il, which means one. We'll write it out here. Then we have 석, which means stone or rock. And then we have E, which is the number 2. And then finally we have 조, which is a se. 조, se is bird. 조 is the Chinese or the Sino-Korean word for bird. So that's where we get those from. And I think usually I'll go over the stroke order for you, but I got some interesting background information on how to go over how to find these characters, and what this resource is called Naver's Hanja Dictionary, or Naver Hanja Sajan. And so when you go there, it pulls up this screen, and you have a search bar and a scratch pad on the right there. And so in the search bar, you can type in the Hangul what you're looking for. So type in here 일석이조, and it'll pull it up, and you can click on it, and it'll take you to a page that tells you about each of those characters. Or you can use the scratch pad here on the right side of things. You click on that, and you can type in or you can scratch in what character you're looking for. So here we'll type in the one for day, or il. So you type it in, and then on the right it'll pull up characters that look similar. So hopefully, if you know vaguely how to draw a character, you can scratch it out there on the scratch pad, and it'll hopefully pull up, and then you can click on it on the right there and look it up. So that's that. Good resource for you. And then also another resource that the Naver Hanja dictionary has is once you look up a character, if you're interested in learning how to write it properly, and stroke order is very important for learning how to write it properly, you can figure out the stroke order, because if you go to the page of the character there, and you can click on this right here, and it'll play the stroke order for you.